back to another episode of Thrifty Vegana. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I meal plan and prep and grocery shop and all that jazz for the week. I've been doing the same method for years. It hasn't changed really at all. I made a video on this on my main channel a long time ago, but I figured to make an updated version and post it on this channel so you guys can see what I do. This is how I usually grocery shop on a weekly or bi-weekly basis because it really saves us a lot of money, and this channel is all about being vegan on a budget. If you aren't meal planning already and you're trying to save money on any diet, really, I highly recommend it. It will save you some serious coin, and it will also prevent you from having stuff go bad in your refrigerator because you're using up the ingredients that you're purchasing for certain meals. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed down below and hit the little notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I post. And also give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. And I think that's all I have to say, so let's get started.
First things first, get yourself something to write your meal plan on. I use this little like whiteboard erasable thing that I got at Daiso a long time ago, and I start off by writing out the days of the week. So this day that I was filming was a Sunday, so I start the next day, and I start on Monday, and I'll go all the way until the following Sunday, so for a week. Then I will go in and use my 3 different colors that I have to start writing in the 3 different meals of the day. So I write in breakfast in blue. The colors change every week depending on how I feel, but this week blue is breakfast. So I take into account what's going on that week. Like now Yvette's in school, she's back on the grind and back, in the classroom. So I keep breakfast pretty simple throughout the week, and then on the weekdays is when I'll go ham and we'll do like biscuits and gravy or something cool, but usually it's pretty easy breakfast throughout the week. And then I will go in with a different color for lunch. So lunches sometimes will be easy things like pizza rolls, or LO means leftovers, but usually I'll go in and I'll do dinner, so then I know, okay, I'll have leftovers of that, so then we can do leftovers for lunch the next day. So like here I'm going in with pink for dinners, and again I'm keeping in mind it's the weekdays, I'm tired, I don't want to be making elaborate meals, so I try to keep them pretty simple. Occasionally I'll get fancy on the weekends, but I don't, I usually don't honest. But this is what it looks like when it's all completed. As you can see, Sunday says barbecue. We're gonna have some friends over, so I don't really meal plan for that. I'll just know what we need to get, and I'll get that separately, like pick it up later. And then I'll go in with my grocery list on Cozy. This is not sponsored by Cozy, okay? But Cozy, if you want to sponsor your girl, I'm here. But I will go into my grocery list and I will just start adding what I need. So I will start at the top. So in this case, I will start on Monday, and I will look at the meals and I'll see, okay, what do we have in the refrigerator? And Babes this time was helping me. So he was looking in the refrigerator telling me, hey, we have almond milk or we don't have almond milk. So I add in what I know we need for those recipes. If I'm using a new recipe, then I'll take a look at the ingredients and see, okay, do I have it? Do I not have it? And then I need to add it. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Just take a look at what you need for certain recipes and add it in as necessary. Oh, and in this case, I needed 2 packs of bell peppers, and I was trying to figure that out by looking at my recipe list. But that's what I love so much about planning out my meals like this, is that I know exactly how many packs of bell peppers I need to buy, or how many packs of mushrooms, and so on and so forth. And then it is off to the grocery store. And as we pick up stuff from the grocery aisles or wherever we're at, then I just check it off from the list. And we keep on going, and I check it off. And what I really like about Cozy is that as we're going through and I'm checking stuff off, I can delete the checked items, and then it makes my list shorter, so it makes it more condensed and easier for me to see. Then I also found some vegan mac and cheese and some new flavors of vegan ice cream. Thought I'd tell you guys about that.
Okay, so we are back from the grocery store now, and this is everything that we got. Starting over here, we've got 2 bags of spinach. We use these a lot in smoothies and stuff. We've got some more bananas, some cuties, some gala apples, cucumbers. These are the type of cucumbers that we like to eat. They're the little like Persian cucumbers. I prefer these because then we don't have to worry about seeds or anything on the inside, and I just like the taste a lot better. And then we've got 2 different kinds of vegan cheeses. We've got the plant-based cheddar and the plant-based mozzarella. We've got some old-fashioned oats, 2 things of bell peppers. I hate that they put them in this plastic because it's like so unnecessary, but that's just the way they do it. And then we've got these 100-calorie chocolate chip little snacks. I like these little packs a lot, especially when I'm craving something sweet. Some cinnamon raisin bagels, some red grapes, some whole wheat bread, some maple syrup, some broccoli, cantaloupe, 3 things of grape tomatoes. These are our favorite kind of tomatoes to eat, and we go through them like crazy, which is why we bought 3. And then we've got some raspberries, and I found these little vegan mac and cheese boxes at Aldi in the like specialty aisle. And I was really excited about it. So I will try these out and keep you updated on my Instagram. If you're not following me over there, definitely go check it out. And then we've got some black beans, some low sodium soy sauce. I prefer to cook with low sodium soy sauce. And then we've got 5 things of unsweetened almond milk. We're buying more now because Tony actually drinks this milk in his bottles, which he will soon be off of. But yeah, we go through a lot of milk. We've got 2 big packages of blueberries, some whole wheat spaghetti, some sliced mushrooms, flour tortillas, 2 avocados, 2 bags of super sweet corn. I like to buy some of my produce and some of my veggies frozen just because I feel like it's easier for me and they don't go bad as fast. So we've got 3 bags of broccoli as well. And then we've got a couple cans of tomato sauce. I use tomato sauce in like everything. Some tomato paste because I'm gonna make a lentil loaf this week. 2 things of extra firm tofu. We found these guys, which we're excited about. I got the mocha fudge almond milk ice cream, and then Bibbs got the vanilla chocolate chip oat milk ice cream. We've got some crescent rolls. Tony really likes these with jelly on the inside, and then I just bake them really quick. Or what I'm gonna do this week too, and I've done it before, is I make the kids little pizza rolls, and I just put some marinara sauce and some of that vegan mozzarella, and then I just pop them in the oven, and they're like little mini pizza rolls, little vegan pizza rolls. We've got some tricolor rotini, some strawberries, some hot dog buns. They didn't have the vegan hot dogs this time, but that's fine. And then we've got some tomato basil pasta sauce for those pizza rolls and some orange juice. And then we get this, and I know some people out there are gonna be like, oh, that's not vegan because it's got honey in it. Well, we don't avoid honey in this household. We actually do consume honey on occasion. I actually don't eat this. This is more for Yvette and Babes. They're more of like the cereal people. I actually don't ever even eat cereal. So yes, it's got some honey in it, but I am not a vegan that avoids honey. Just letting you guys know. If that bothers some of you guys, I'm sorry. Whew. But that is the haul. And there are a couple of things that are still on my list that I still need to get, like some vegan chicken strips for vegan pot pie, and what else, vegan hot dogs. So like a couple of other things which I will probably end up going to Walmart for, because if you've seen my Walmart shop with me, you know that my Walmart in particular has like a lot of vegan stuff. So I will probably hit them for the last remaining items, but that's it. We spent about $120, and this is going to last us probably at least 2 weeks. When I run out of my planned meal list, then I will reassess what we have. I'll take a look at what we have left in the fridge and everything, and I'll just start making like pantry meals, and I'll start throwing together stuff with whatever we've got basically. So if you guys want to see something like that, if you want to see some pantry meal ideas or something, definitely leave me a comment and I will start working on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.